You're looking for landscape, decorating the house, your wall up and down, by the poolside, by the garage, by the front, on your property. These lights may be something that you are interested in, and we're going to show you how simple it is to set up and operate. So let's show you what you get inside the box. From the makers of Wowlite. This is 16 plus million colors. It's an RGB light with remote control. Check online for further details about your product. It has an application and remote control to run. We're going to open up the box and show you what you get inside. There's optional hubs for the lighting, a remote control, hardware packages, and instructions. The lights are individually wrapped too, and a guide on how to install and set up. The wowlite Me Light RGB CCT remote control. Supply your own batteries and simply install by inserting into the unit. The unit has a snap-on cover that will easily be opened and closed. There's a little notch over here. With the screwdriver, simply twist and pull down. To close up, the opposite way. The remote control lights up and has many different types of controls. It is feather touch as well, and also can use an application from iOS and Android. We have self-adhesive and hardware to hang the remote control bracket. And we have an instruction guide that goes over the remote control. We have 8 zones, on and off, and adjustments with the brightness level and different color schemes, and choosing the 16 million colors, and is feather touch on the top half, and it is push buttons on the bottom half. With an option of a Mi box sold separately, the remote controls 2.4 gigahertz up to 200 feet of range. The Wowlite comes in 3 models. We have the round model. It's 110 volt with 60 watt light bulbs, E26, 2 of them. So you have 2 sets of wires to hook up. You have a bracket, nuts, spare nut, wire nuts, and hanging hardware. The product is IP rated, and if you ever need to change the bolts out, you simply unscrew the top, pull out, take the bulb, and simply replace them. These are the E26 60 watt bulbs. Inside is your socket. You simply place on and lock down. To place back the cover, simply place over, counterclockwise, clockwise turn, and twist back on. We're all hooked up with the schooner in different locations, as you can see. By the garage, side of the house, front of the property, wherever you need to hook up a schooner, a RGB light of different colors that could be ran from one light to many lights, up to 8 or more. The remote control needs to be paired to the light. Simply turn on your light for 10 seconds. It may come on in the color of white or red if you already paired and so forth. You're going to shut off your light and then turn on and quickly press the I button 3 times. Do it before the light comes on. One, two, three. The light blinks slowly a number of times. And we are now paired. So we can take the light and shut it off and turn it on by zone 1. We can then come over to the controls and choose the colors we want. We could lower the light down and increase the light. And we could hit the button over here to change it to all different colors. If we need to unpair the light, it is the same procedure. Shut off the light, turn on, press the I button 5 times. The light goes off. We're going to turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll blink 10 times for success. And then you will not have any control of the light. You could turn off and on. You will not turn off and on. You are now unlinked. You can control up to 8 lights with the 2.4 gigahertz remote. A hub is sold separately to use the smartphone app and voice control and different features and functions of the light. We're going to set the light up. It's as simple as turning on. 1, 2, 3. Blinking to tell you that we are connected. We're going to change the colors. Pick a color we like by the spin wheel. And when you hit the color you like, you leave it like so. You have a brightness level and a dim level. You can just go by the slider. And then the above key changes to white to the different kelvins, as you can see. You can turn it off and on. It shuts off slow and turns on slow. The buttons above, they increase in different kelvins and they automatically turn off and on of all your lights. You can have it blink and flash and go into different modes. There's a lot you can do with the remote control. You can adjust the speed of the product, make it super fast. And you could slow it down and pick the colors you like, breathing and all. So if you're interested in lights that you can control via 2.4 gigahertz remote up to 200 feet, put the lights by the pool, by the house, the front yard, property, IP65 rated, and more. We're going to show you the other light, how simple it is to operate. The light's hooked up. We're going to change colors. You see how well it lights up the wall, down and up. Choose a white. Lower it down to a blue. Dim it down. And brighten it up. Change the different modes and settings by turning on and off and other things. So the lights can be turned on and off and changed to different colors by the remote control. It is a light that even the remote control is IP rated. If you're looking for a light, this product may be something that you are after. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.